The AWS Cloud Value Proposition. AWS Cloud Computing makes it very easy via web interface, API, or command line interface to access resources such as servers, storage, or databases, while the underlying network and hardware is owned and maintained by the cloud service provider, whether it's Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure, or of course, my favorite, Amazon Web Services. So what are the benefits of AWS Cloud Computing? Most of us are using cloud computing right now without realizing it. Whether we are sending email, streaming TV or movies, or even playing online games, these services are likely being delivered to us via cloud computing. Now, let's say that you were going to start a new online business. What could AWS Cloud do for you? The cost savings. AWS Cloud Computing drastically reduces or even eliminates the capital expense of purchasing hardware, software, racking servers, and all of the associated costs of running a data center. Global scale. A business can easily deploy resources to the right region in minutes with literally just a few clicks of a mouse. Productivity. Staging a data center would typically require tons of manual labor, such as racking and stacking hardware, cabling, and a myriad of other time-consuming tasks. Cloud computing eliminates many of these chores so that IT teams can focus on higher priority goals. Increased speed and agility. Since most cloud services are provided on demand, IT resources may be only a few clicks away. This provides businesses with tremendous flexibility and reduces time to market from perhaps weeks to hours. Security. With cloud services, there are usually a broad set of technologies, controls, and policies that may instantly increase your business's security posture. Examples are web application firewalls and access control policies that can be configured on the fly. Performance. When using cloud computing services, a business may benefit from the aggregation of the latest generation of computing hardware running globally in state-of-the-art data centers. The sheer number of users utilizing cloud services helps to deliver lower costs in pay-as-you-go computing. Although Amazon Web Services is only slightly more than a decade old, it's already being fully embraced from the tiniest startups to the largest global corporations and government organizations. Whether you are testing and building applications, analyzing large amounts of data, streaming video, or even delivering software on demand, AWS provides all the building blocks to turn your vision into reality. The AWS Global Infrastructure Overview. As of the production of this video, the Amazon Web Services Global Infrastructure, or Cloud, is located in 18 geographical regions and boasts 55 availability zones. The AWS Global Footprint is built upon what Amazon calls regions and availability zones. In Amazon Web Services lingo, a region provides several physically isolated availability zones that are connected via high throughput, redundant, low latency networking. Availability zones provide AWS customers with the tools and resources to make all of their applications, databases, and compute resources faster, more efficient, reliable, and scalable. All AWS regions are totally isolated from other AWS regions to provide high availability. AWS has also announced plans to add 5 more regions and 15 new availability zones in Bahrain, Cape Town, Hong Kong SAR, Stockholm, and an additional GovCloud region in the United States.